Hi everyone, please welcome to the Infomithra YouTube channel. The Indian Space Research Organization's Chandrayaan-3 mission has launched from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota at 2:35 p.m. East on Thursday, July 14th. The lander will take nearly 42 days to complete its journey to the moon. If ISRO pulls this mission off successfully, India will join an exclusive list of just 3 other countries that have managed a soft landing on the moon: the United States, the erstwhile Soviet Union, and most recently, China. The spacecraft has successfully taken off from Earth and is now in orbit around the planet in its journey towards the moon. It has many critical events lined up, including Earth-bound maneuvers, insertion into the lunar orbit, separation of the lander, a set of deboost maneuvers, and a power descent phase for a soft landing. What will Chandrayaan-3's journey look like now? LVM-3 correctly placed the Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft into the right orbit around the Earth, but in a way, that is just the beginning of the mission. What happens now? The spacecraft will now engage in various orbit-raising maneuvers, making its orbit around the planet more and more eccentric with each revolution. Once it reaches an appropriate distance from the planet, it will enter an Earth-to-Moon transfer orbit. After this, it will get captured by the moon's gravity. The LVM-3 rocket. The Chandrayaan-3 mission is hitching a ride to space on ISRO's most powerful rocket, the Launch Vehicle Mark III. The launch vehicle is powered by 2 S-2000 solid rocket boosters that will provide the thrust required for takeoff. The L-110 liquid stage will take over once the solid boosters separate from the launch vehicle. After the liquid stage is separated, the Ce-25 cryogenic stage will power the vehicle. How long will Chandrayaan take to reach the moon? On average, the moon is about 384,400 kilometers away from the Earth, but Chandrayaan-3 will be taking a longer route to Earth's lone satellite in a bid to conserve fuel. With that path, the Vikram lander of the mission is expected to soft land on the surface of the South Pole region of the moon on around August 23rd or August 24th. Why ISRO wants to explore the lunar South Pole? The landing site of the Chandrayaan-3 mission is the same as that of Chandrayaan-2. It will land near the south pole of the moon at 70 degrees latitude. Most previous moon-bound spacecraft have landed in the equatorial region, either a few latitudes north or south of the equator. This is because it is easier and much safer to land near the equator, since both the terrain and temperatures are more conducive to the operation of the spacecraft and its instruments. The polar regions are the opposite. Many polar regions, like in complete darkness, and temperatures can go below 230 degrees. They are also typically littered with many craters. But the extremely cold temperatures of the relatively unexplored polar regions mean that things trapped there would be frozen in time in a way without undergoing much change. The rocks and soil in the moon's north and south poles could give scientists clues about the origin of our solar system. In certain parts of the lunar polar regions, there is no sunlight due to the moon's unique axis tilt. Unlike Earth, which has a tilt of 23.5 degrees, the moon's axis tilts only 1.5 degrees. This results in the floors of several craters near the lunar poles being permanently shadowed, referred to as permanently shadowed regions. NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter has indicated that these cold surfaces could sustain water for extended periods, providing opportunities for scientific investigation. The launch of Chandrayaan-3 marks another significant step in India's space exploration endeavors, with hopes for valuable discoveries and advancements in our understanding of the moon's south pole. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our Infomithra YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you.